Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer, and welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice here in Stellaris with EU4 friends. In which last episode we started a new colony here. It's led to -5 relations with these guys, the Iroquois Conscious, but that's fine, it's fine. I wonder if they would ever ally. Not... Oh, they have a different differing war philosophy. Are they... Wait. I thought it had to do with this up here. Their ethos, but I guess not. Because we have the same war philosophy on that one. Well, we're at -38. We're gonna have to get a little bit more. Oh, we're gonna get 50 more, oh yeah, we're gonna get 50 more opinions. So they may go friendly. If they flip to friendly, then we may be able to get this. And that'd be kind of cool. Would be kind of cool. We discovered last episode, source of Betharian stone, right next to a fantastic little system here. At least fantastic little ocean world that we're about to survey. We also discovered Ambrosia, which Ambrosia 1 and its moons is, I covet this. All we have surveyed so far is Ambrosia 1 and its moons. And we've already found some crazy stuff. It's pretty amazing. I wonder what Ambrosia 2 has going for it, and it's multiple moons. Yeah, 2 continental worlds in there. Crazy times. And ooh, potentially habitable. What is it? What do you got? What do you got? An ocean world. Oh well. And I found, so we exchanged star charts down here, and look what I found. We found Blorg's Bane. Yes, Blorg's Bane is a black hole. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, and I think also found Sheraton 3, which is natural beauty, which is pretty nice. It's a 15 size. It's a continental world. I don't know why they haven't. The Iroquois. It's right outside Iroquois space. They'll colonize that. It's fine. It's fine. We'll just try to befriend them, so at least we have the planet on our side, right? But let's let time go forward. Oh, hang on. Also, I changed out my ship design. So now it used to just be the 3 red lasers. I gave them the ion thrusters, and I gave a little bit of armor, a little bit of deflectors, and an extra fission reactor just because we needed it. So that is what our corvettes are running now.
System survey complete.
Hang on. Science ship's gonna be lazy for a second here. Let me know the corvette. Just because I want to take no chances. System survey, you... Oh, it turns out that, oh no, not you. Yeah, Clappy. Can I no longer survey? Oh, no. Okay, never mind. They just didn't find anything. So Ambrosia 1 is a fantastic little place. Just absolutely amazing. Why can we settle Ambrosia 1C, but we can't settle Ambrosia 1D? They're both continental worlds, right? Yes. Oh, hang on. I thought, give me a second here. I thought that... Oh, yeah. Okay. We still can't... I don't know. Anyway. I don't know exactly how it works, but this one's lush, so it adds plus 10% habitability, which is so good. Ambrosia, man, we gotta get over there. Okay, but first, let's check out Arcturus and Yandus. So, science ship, go here. Survey system, thank you. Hang on. We have discovered Iota aliens. What do they look like? What are they? Oh, that's... Oh, there's a battle. Oh, interesting. Okay, hang on. Yeah, actually, you keep surveying this. So someone is going to contact us soon. If you notice, there's a 280 versus 82 battle going on over here.
Colony established.
So there we go. Yeah, might as well just keep surveying.
Construction complete.
Colony established. Hey, we're making money again. That's nice. Okay, Venezia just completed a couple more cruisers, or I wish, corvettes. We're still not at the point of taking on a lot of the folks that we would want to be able to take on over here. Yeah, these guys. I don't remember what was here. It was a space meet. That's right. It's like 400 something. We're at 15 of 16. Woo boy, of our naval capacity. So once this guy's
System survey complete.
Once this guy's election goes, we will in fact get... He will fulfill his mandate, and that'll be nice. We're not going to investigate the Epsilon aliens or the Iota aliens. Yeah, we'll deal with them eventually if they don't check us out first. So system survey complete. Go to Yandu's. Okay. Nope. Hang on. Wrong one. Hang on. Don't do that. Come up here instead. Come up to Unamar. There you go. I think the next thing we do is another colony ship. Oh, yeah. Do you feel it? I feel it. I totally feel it. And the Iroquois have decided to establish an embassy. Yes. They know. They know that we're better off together. Why don't you just become friendly? We're almost at 100.
System survey
There
complete.
we go.
Anomaly found.
Leave this anomaly for now. I don't want to deal with a 30% risk. Oh, science ship. Don't be lazy. Yandus, go. A desert world and a tomb world. Interesting. Okay. Nothing here in Yandus as far as habitability goes, but that's okay. We're receiving a direct transmission from the Beldros Directorate. They appear to have successfully translated our languages. Oh, our language. Okay, let's figure this out. You guys are a plutocratic oligarchy. You're honor-bound warriors. I forget what that means. Greetings, I speak for the executive Hask Pagram and the wealthy elite of the Beldros Directorate. So, they seem to... They'll probably like us all right. We're both spiritualists, so we could learn much from each other. Hang on. Where are you? Oh, you're over there. Okay, sweet. So you're not too far. You're not too close. They like us by plus 15. Xenophile diplomacy, wise spiritualists, and of course, the thing that puts us up to 15, charismatic. Yes. I think I'm going to establish an embassy. Planetary fortification. Oh, no. They're tropical. Alright. I have a question. First we'll establish an embassy. Yes, thank you. Check out a trade deal. Yeah, they don't have migration access. No free pop migration. Just too bad. Oh yeah. Let's get a ship up there. Ooh. A neutron star. What do you got for me? What do you got for me? +4 research. Engineering. We still don't have enough. We've got to get us some physics research. So bad. Survey that system too. Actually, I should pull you back. I really do want to research this anomaly. We might as well.
System survey complete.
Yeah, we'll just go up there first, though. I love how we're researching, or we're surveying all this stuff way the heck out here. When really, I have an anomaly in my territory that he could totally do for like 7% fail risk or something. So, survey that system. Research. Yes. Monthly influence +1. We're getting 6 influence. Wow. We should really check out our available things. Just a second. I'll explain what things are in a second. I think we go continental. I think continental world colonization is going to be pretty big. Yeah. Let's go continental. It's going to take a while. 77 months. That's a while, yeah. What was I going to do? Shoot, what was I going to do, guys? Don't remember now. Bid talks, okay. Ooh. There's a lot of minerals available here. Oh, we can actually survey this. It's outside of these guys' territory. Ooh. Okay, election is about to happen. That's good. That's good. Oh, that's not ambrosia. It's ambesia. What? Who knew? Maybe we go and just swipe this system. You never know. Dwumgar. I love that name. Actually, it's kind of a terrible name, but... Enrico Moro has been elected as President of the Sovereign Republic of Venice. So, let's check out their mandate. As per President Enrico Moro's mandate, we are currently using at least 75% of our naval capacity. Gain 175 influence. Oh, that's what we were going to do. We're at 970 influence. Hang on, hang on. Let's check out some policies. Let's check out our policies first. Encourage free thought, maybe engineering research grants, or physics. What's the most important thing for us right now? Do we want the AI colony development speed? It's 28 months out. We're about to start a new one. Let's do it. We're low on physics as it is. I think that may be the way to go. Let's do physics research grants. So now we'll only be making 5 influence per month. And then, you know what? We got the influence. Let's just play with it and have some happiness. Hey Zara. Zara? You are at 65% happiness. That's actually not going to do any good. Let's clear out this tile blocker. Let's do that. Zara, also, how's your food? At 4? You're fine. You're fine for right now. Venice. Venice. Venice! Hey, I got an idea for you. Why don't you be happy? What do you say? How's our surface looking? You are 79% happy. If we give you some more happiness, just 10 more happiness, you'll work even harder. You know what? Propaganda broadcasts. There we go. There's 150 influence down. Let's also check out... We just have so much influence. I was not expecting this. Actually, yeah. Let's check out for Zara. Look, what's her surface look like? Okay. How about re-education campaigns? How do you feel? Wow, look at that ethics divergence. That's nuts. They aren't... Nobody's actually drifted away, though. Well, let's keep it that way. Do you want to go land of opportunity? Let's go re-education campaigns. Let's do it. And then, ooh, I know what to do. I know what to do. Hadus. Corfu. You. Edicts. Let's go land of opportunity. Let's do it. There we go. Yeah, this is a huge place to be. Oh, yeah. And then let's dump a bunch of our money and minerals to clearing out some of these tile blockers, especially on some of the really useful ones. Like that. And that. We'll just do that for now. How's food? Food's iffy. How about if we build us a frontier clinic? Yeah, let's go for frontier clinic. Yeah, Hadus is going to be a big one because it's, well, because it's big. Or Corfu. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're clearing that. Toxic kelp. Okay, cool. Good, good, good. Now, where is my other... Is it Tritium? Yeah, Murano here. Look, Murano, you need some food. Why don't you get yourself a Frontier Clinic? We'll get you some food and some habitability. That'll be nice. Actually, you don't really need the habitability. We can just make you happy? A little extra happiness wouldn't do anything. Yeah, you're not growing at all. Eek, that's no good. You know what Murano needs? Murano could really use some land of opportunity there. Yeah, there we go. And we're down to 370 influence. Good. Good, that's what I want. Infrastructure projects. What does this do? Building cost minus 25%, construction time minus 25%. Okay. Let's just throw that on to a lot of the bigger ones. Ooh, Capella 2, or Capella 3. Oh, we still haven't colonized this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is fantastic. We gotta do that. Yep, we need some colony ships. Let's do it. Oh, hey, what's our mandate? Shipwright, yeah. Let's just keep that up. Zara? Infrastructure. Okay, and all of a sudden we cannot afford... Yeah, okay, there, we just blew through pretty much all of our influence. That's actually kind of nice. Kind of nice. And then we have to think really hard about spaceports. Kind of want a spaceport right here in Zara. Spaceport? Actually, no, I want something back behind Zara. That's what I want. I want something that's going to be hard to access. Oh man, Hazra. Hazra 2. Too good. Oh yeah. I'm good on that. Murano. How much is this going to cost? 288. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, that reminds me. What is our president good for? President. Home in the sky. Oh yeah, spaceport. Let's focus spaceports, and we get monthly influence. That's right.
System survey complete.
That's where all that
anomaly found.
influence came from. I have no idea what anomaly we are currently researching,
Construction
but
complete.
it's 7%. So might as well just do it, right? Construction complete. Zara, okay. Zara? What'd you do? Is it any good? Oh, yeah, you're migrating. Nice. Okay, that's fine. Give me a... Oh... I was gonna say give me a hydroponics farm. Oh, yeah, it's super cheap. Yeah, that's fine. And then... Oh, hey, how much is the... How much is the spaceport? 288.
System
Okay.
survey complete.
Hang on. A small scout craft of some kind is plowed into the surface of this asteroid millennia ago, creating a shallow canyon. Hang on. There's no visible cockpit on the ship. Yeah, we actually already did that. So that's 102 engineering. Ooh, not bad. 288. Hang on. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, laser defense module. Build spaceport. Good. Let's do it. Constructing orbital station. Super excellent. Okay.
Construction complete.
Now, as soon as we start building these spaceports, the other thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to build more corvettes in order to fulfill the shipwright mandate. So that's going to be a thing, which is fine with me, actually. Both science ships are being lazy. Roberto Rizzo. You found nothing of real interest here in Bit Talks, but that's okay. Come on over here. Survey this system. I don't think there's anything out here. I think we are free to just fill this area. And if we do, that'll be super great. That'll be super, super great. Science ship, go. Or Calliope, where are you? Oh, yeah. Do you think we can get access? You're still neutral. Offer trade deal. Border access, civilian. Oh, they may actually do that. Border access, civilian. Actually doesn't do them any good because they can't reach me, I don't think. Not effectively. So let's just give them some money. Injury credits. Instant transfer. Ooh. It's gonna cost a lot. 251. It's fine. We're gonna want to actually get some more money soon. Confirm. Okay. Let's think about that a little bit. Let's look at Venezia here. Hang on. Did you actually accept it? See, I wish you could tell without clicking, without finishing that thing, what they said. I wish you could just sort of hover over it and be like, oh, okay, cool. So Dwumgar, which is still a great little name. Oh, Rookbat. Oh, cool. Pern, anyone? So let's actually survey systems around our rivals. Let's survey the system. Yeah. And then, okay. You can unpause now. What? What? Hostile fleets present. Where? There. Okay. Ooh, what do we got? Ocean world. 13 size. That's fine. Do not survey that system. Oh, they're 86s though. We can clear that out. That's fine. Survey that system instead. Yeah, we can clear that out. Zithri? Zithri. That's what it is. Just don't engage, okay? Scientist Vitali Ziani has leveled up. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, Venezia. Let's think about money here for a second. Build. Ooh, a power hub? Do you want a power hub? Let's get a power plant. Let's go with power plants first. Oh no, let's do a power plant here first. Because that has a, has 2 energy credits already. Yeah, we're gonna have to build up our infrastructure here, including our research infrastructure, including... You know what, let's just clear out this. Clear out that. Okay. And before too long, we're gonna have to build another spaceport. That's fine. And our science ship should not be... science ship should not be endangering itself unnecessarily. So let's go to the Zontaris black hole. Survey that instead. Watch, there's a void cloud there. Just, you just wait. There's a void cloud there. I'm just gonna call it right now. Oh no, no there's not, okay. All it is the black hole. Hopefully there's something cool. What do you got? What? What? Yeah, don't survey Trondi. Survey this one instead. Yeah, that's a powerful space amoeba. Don't do that. Waiting for 200 and... was it 298?
Construction complete. System survey complete.
Hey, Cassini, what'd you find? Ooh, 5... oh yeah, 5 physics research. Nice. Go to Kosk. Yeah, Zithri, look at that. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, especially once we get our fleet out there. We just want to do that. Do we just want to do that? That's a good question. No, let's start building. No, not yet. No, no, don't build yet. Don't build yet. We gotta build up some. Gotta build up some spaceports first. Okay, so we can clear out Kosk pretty easily. So don't bother with this system. Survey that system. See, there's no one in here. There's no sign of anybody being out in this little edge of the galaxy. Tundra colonization. Okay, that's fine. There's a habitable planet that we're not going to get to. This is a lot of worlds. Wow. It's a pretty good system out there. Just way on the edge of the galaxy out there. What do we got? Okay. Hanflir Grand Duchy has declared the Beldros Directorate their rival. Beldros Directorate. We're going to be buddies. Yeah, we're going to be buddies. You'll never let your people settle in my worlds, but that's okay. We can handle that. Ooh. Besco, what do you got? Size 10 ocean world. That's kind of crap. Oh, the episode's almost over. It's been a lot of surveying so far this this episode. Found a lot of little enemies. Oh hey, and we can build us another spaceport. Hi Murano! Where's it? Murano. Oh no, we already built in Murano. It's Corfu? No, it's Zara. Zara, let's do a spaceport. Okay.
Research complete.
We're gonna have to make sure to build up a bunch of a bunch of corvettes though. AI-controlled colony ships is done, so our next colony will come out pretty quick. And ooh, I think we go gravitic sensors. We're not going to do assist research for a long time. Improved deflectors will be nice, but I think gravitic sensors is the way to go. It's going to be quick, and it unlocks a survey speed bonus, which is the stage that we're at. Only 25 months on that. It would be faster if we had actual like physics research available to us, but nope. Hang on. Okay, there we go. Beldrust Directorate. Okay, they have rivaled. There's some rivaling going on. There we go. They like us by plus 81. The Beldrust Directorate will be buddies, I think. They will seek out worthy foes to fight and have little respect for weaklings and pacifists. Okay, well, we'll try not to be a weakling. And we're definitely not a pacifist, so okay. Okay, that's fine. Let's finish surveying this system first. And we'll call it an episode.
System survey complete.
Hey, what'd you get? Anything interesting? No, not at all. Go? Yeah, here. Can you not go there? Yeah, survey system. Here we go. Oh, you can't go there, though. Okay, that's fine. Cassini, what do you got? Ooh. Irion, what do you got? You have a size 22 ocean world. Ooh. Hey. Dagferon, what do you got? I keep saying that. Take this system so that I can take it from you and get that lovely, lovely ocean world. Would you do that for me, please?
Construction complete.
Construction complete. What is that? Venezia has finished surface construction queue. Good. What else can we do here?
Construction complete.
Hang on. Inactive buildings. Yeah. We'll do that in a second. Corfu. What do you got? Move the science guy over to the food. And, yeah, 3 food. Okay. Corfu is set for a little bit. Excellent. Excellent. We'll build some farms in a second. Probably here. But we won't do that yet. We'll do that next time. Once we build us a, wait, or did we already... Once we build us... I was going to say once we build us a new spaceport, but we've already built a spaceport. Is it time to build a bunch of corvettes? I think it may be. How many corvettes do we want? Corvette. Well, 3 will do for now.
System survey
There we go.
complete.
Voon. I just want to see what is in this system and what it's called, actually. What do we got? Zeobir, and they have an Arctic world and a lot of other stuff. So we're gonna come on out here. Probably colonize in Zithri first. If I remember correctly, this was pretty easy to clear out. It's not an amazing system, but it'll be a good start. And then there's some stuff out here. We'll clear this all out, see if it's worth putting down an influence booster out here. It's not what it's called, but you know what I mean. And I think we'll figure that out next time. Until then, I enjoyed myself. Hope you enjoyed yourself as well. We've been surveying our surroundings, and it looks like this is going to be a fantastic area to just come on out here, do a little settling, do a little exploiting of the resources, and play around with black holes. We got a black hole with actual physics research, and we We were at 10 physics research. I don't know what happened, but we're not at 10 physics research anymore. But yeah, we're checking out our neighborhood. We have a couple of rivals. We have a couple of new friends. One new friend who may actually be a friend. Yeah. You may look scary, and we'll never be able to get your honor-bound warrior dudes. Adaptive tropical preference. I want strong. I want someone who's strong. We're weak. I want someone who's strong in our territory. That's what I want. But we will deal with all that next time. When we actually will probably want to survey or settle that area. Yeah, next time, Gadget. Next time. You know what? I look forward to seeing you next time.